over, fly over, lumilipad kasi palaging high scorer, skywalker, best of all time yung roster. Kinikilig pati mga courtside reporter. Order in the court, laging palaban, kala mo si Jaworski, Noy P, umalahoy, Moby for more 3, 2, 1, bang, double OT. Oh yeah, dumagundong sa big dome, napatalon at umalulong si Tim Cone. In the zone, nagpapaulan ng